Hello guys, in today's tutorial I will show you how to change display resolution in your Windows 10 laptop or PC. Let's go! First we need to go to display settings and there are two ways to access it. First way is to go to search and type change the resolution of the display. Left click on it. But if you don't have search box on your computer, you need to go by another way. Go to Start button and click on Settings. Open System section and Display Settings will appear first. And here you can change your screen resolution. If you don't know resolution of your monitor, my advice is to go to the recommended one. That's it. If I helped you, please support me with like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.